Drowning in data? In just a few clicks, I'll show you how pivot tables can save you hours and boost your productivity. Pivot tables are one of Excel's secret weapons. Whether you're tracking sales, analyzing customer data, or just trying to spot trends, pivot tables let you summarize large datasets in seconds. No more endless formulas or manual calculations, just drag, drop, and discover the story behind your numbers. Let's get started. First, make sure your data is clean and in a table format. No empty rows or columns, just a neat list with clear headers. Click any cell on your data, go to the Insert tab and select Pivot Table. Choose to place it on a new worksheet for a clean slate. Now here's the magic. Drag your key fields into the areas labeled rows, columns, values, and filters. For example, if you're analyzing sales, drag customer name to the rows, sales amount to the value. Want to see counts instead of sums? No problem. Just click on the value field, choose value field settings, and switch from sum to count. It's that simple. Imagine you're running an online store. With pivot tables, you can instantly find out which products are the best sellers, which drive most sales, and even spot seasonal trends. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of quick tips. Remove blank rows and columns to avoid errors. Experiment with filters. Use slicers to interact with your data in real time. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use pivot tables, the more insights you'll unlock. Now that you know the basics of pivot tables, it's time to put your skills to test. Download the free sample Excel file linked in the description and challenge yourself to create a dynamic report today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Excel hacks, and drop a comment below telling me how pivot tables transformed your workflow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.